Hello everyone. Today we are at Whitefish, Montana. Beautiful background here. I'm with Adam Gilbertson, Vice President of Midwest Construction and RDO Integrated Controls. Talk about Build Montana. Tell us a little bit about Build Montana.
You know, it's a workforce development program that is actually a partnership between the Montana Contractors Association and the Montana Equipment Dealers Association. Biggest problem all the dealers have in Montana is finding talented people to do the work. It's a pretty common theme around the country. We went to the Montana Contractors Association meeting. We heard the same story. Contractors are having a hard time finding people to work. They're having a hard time finding talented people to do the construction across the state. And the president of the contractors and myself, I was in that role with the equipment dealers, we got together and said, why don't we do this together? We made the decision unanimously to move forward with this workforce development project in April of 2020. And that's where it all started.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So,
yeah.
So explain to me, give me some details. So when do you get the people involved? At what age? What's the goal?
Yeah.
You know, give me kind of.
Yeah, so it started in Billings originally. We have a great partner, Knife River Construction, large quarry aggregate, a general contractor that works across the country. We got together and said, let's partner with our school systems in Billings. You know, we do a great job in Montana. We do a great job in the country with our education system building lawyers, doctors, accountants. We've got that figured out really well. We don't have a really good pathway for young people who aren't going to go to a 2 and a 4 degree certification process. And because of that, the school and the teachers don't really understand how to network or path someone to find a career in our industry. Can we show them the whole career path in the industry? Maybe you want to go into architecture or engineering or project supervision or machine operation, or as a diesel tech, but there's all these different careers, and had that opportunity to work in a partnership in that program. One of the really unique things that we had, John Deere really forward thinking for us and allowed us for the first time to use the John Deere University curriculum for kids who aren't employees or dedicated interns to a dealership.
It's not trying to get technicians for RDO or operators for Knife River. This is a great industry.
Yeah, building the awareness.
Yeah.
Finding some passion in something. You know, I think the kids have a chance. They start out in a safety program. They get certified in a week-long safety program. That's where we start in the process,
great.
Which they can carry with them in their career. From there, they go into machine theory, and they use John Deere University to learn about electronics, powertrains, engines, undercarriage. We put a machine control component in that, learning about technology, and then a little bit of drones, because, you know, we all like drones.
Gotta have drones, yeah.
Everybody's gotta have drones. So they spend that time learning the theory, and then they come to the dealership and they kind of apply the theory they learn, get on the machines, kind of see where all of this sits in more of an exploratory manner. We're not creating competency as technicians, but really starting to understand the machine. From there, we move into operation, and Deere has some really great classes on John Deere University about how to operate safely a machine, how to do daily maintenance, the walkarounds, how to get on the machine safely, how to operate it safely, and that all kind of happens in the confines of the dealership. So once we finish that process, then the contractors kick in. And we had 7 field problems in the first, where we went actually out on the project with the contractor. They walked through those 7 projects and learned how they start, how the planning works, what the jobs are on those projects. Gave these young people a great exposure to what the work is.
You kind of put everybody together on this. So.
We did. You know, fortunately, we realized that we can't only fix this problem alone, right? Now there are 7 companies in this effort that are all working in different ways, giving these kids some exposure to the industry. And, you know, we've had some really great stories of young people finding some success.
And if you're going to build, this is a great place to build.
Indeed. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dennis.
Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon. Well, I'm talking with my hands.
I know, yeah, right.
We gotta have a little bit of room
I do
here.
too, so we may need a little bit of room. Yeah. Yeah. You'll have a little adjustment.
Yeah, we know about that for